SiteJack is a service that gives you unlimited websites. You can build a website for one domain, or you can build multiple websites. It's up to you. It also gives you hosting and domain names. Plus is the only system right now that gives you a full complete website with everything included, both content, text, and everything that you need to get started in under 5 minutes. To show you how powerful SiteJack is, let's go ahead and create a site for our business. First of all, you want to take a look at the tour to make sure that you kind of watch and understand how the system works. Then you go into demo websites. Remember that the whole idea behind SiteJack is to simply download a pre-built website into an editor, edit it, and publish it, and there you have it. So here we have samples and demos of the pre-built SiteJack website being published and edited and for different business niches. As you can see, we have multiple niches here. So how it works is this: you can click preview to view the preview site using the particular templates that's listed there. For example, there's a multi-purpose website. I can click preview here and to open up in a new window with the site. As you can see here, it's a beautiful site, complete with videos, text, and everything is all included. It's a ready-to-go site, ready to start using live. SiteJack even goes as far as putting your name into the content. So anywhere you see, for example, in this case, SiteJack Corporation, it will replace it with your business name. So it's a full-blown site ready to go within minutes. I'm going to go ahead and close that. You could actually use this for your own business to build websites, or you could, build websites to sell it to clients. It's all up to you. And remember, you can build unlimited websites, so you can build different websites for different businesses that you may have, all within one SiteJack account. You can click on the preview to view more samples. For example, this is a law office one. I've just clicked on it. You can see that it has all the content pre-written and everything is ready, set to go. The previews we are viewing are based on this specific templates that are listed beside it. You can change the SiteJack site using any number of templates that we have. We have over thousands of templates that you can pick from. This is just examples or demos of ones that have been published already. So to see more examples of the different templates that we have available, which you can easily change out for any of these websites, you can simply click on Launch Demo Website Editor. This will open up the SiteJack editor that the sites are edited in for you to test it and demo it if you need to. Remember that the sites listed here are just examples. You can build literally any website, any type of business with SiteJack. These are just examples to show you what is possible. So pretty much any kind of business you have, you can build a website with it with SiteJack, and it all takes under 5 minutes. So let's click on Launch Demo here to see the example of the website editor. You can click on Edit Websites and then click on Step 1 to see the different templates available in the system. There are thousands of templates in the system, and they can be interchanged easily no matter what website that you're building. You can take a minute to look at the templates and browse through them. I click on the next, and when you're done, the best way to experience SiteJack is actually to sign up for an account and start using it right away. So let's go ahead and close this out and start using SiteJack. If you try to download any of the templates, it will not let you download because you need to have a SiteJack account. So we go on the pricing to get started, and you can choose a yearly plan, and this is the best plan. If you have the option to register a new domain name or use one that you already registered elsewhere. If you use one that you already registered elsewhere, you would have to make sure to update your name servers to the name server that you get after you sign up. In this case, I'm going to register a new domain name, which most people will use, and I'm going to set up a domain name. I'm setting up a website for my I'm going to assume a recruiting firm, and it's called Anthony Hayden. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in the domain name here that I want, and then I hit check availability to check see if that domain name is available. If it is, I can continue. If it's not, you can keep searching for you find a domain name that's available. When I click continue, it gives me other options. You can choose other options, for example like support, and if you need to also kind of help you with ongoing support, or if you need us to do stuff for you, you can choose any of the options available. We highly recommend those. And if you're good, you can then go ahead and click checkout to checkout, and when you get to the checkout page, you can review your checkout, and you can then put in your information. Don't forget your email address and your password. This is going to be the email address and password that you're going to use to log into the system ongoing. And if you have any coupons, you can put that in here, or promotional codes that you've been given, and that will automatically, when you click validate, that will automatically give you the discount immediately. And you can enter your payment information and click the accept the terms, and click complete order. When you're done with your order payment, you can just go ahead and click on my account to get into your account and make sure that you're logged in. This will give you a brief overview of your account. To continue setting up your website, you want to click on services, then click on my services, and then you locate the service. In this case, I have it right here, Anthony Hayden. To say, you see the domain name listed there, and then to the right you click view details. When you click view details, it will give you the option to log into the cPanel, and then you can click log into cPanel. This will pull up your website cPanel. There's a lot of information here, but you don't need any of those for now. You just look for where it says look for the software category and click on SiteJack Website Editor, which will launch the editor that we saw earlier. Now, usually you can create a website from scratch for advanced users if you know what you're doing, but most people just want to go load an existing website. You can just click browse, load a website, but you have to, let's go ahead and get the website that we want to load. So just jump back here to my account. You can click on the downloads to download the pre-built website. You can click download. You can also download it by clicking demo websites. You can also download it from download preview website, so it doesn't really matter, they're both the same. So in this case, I'm just going to download it from here, click download, and then I'm going to save it as, it's just a zip file of a pre-built website. I'm going to save it, and after I saved it here, save it as SiteJack pre-built website, and then after I've downloaded that, I can go back to the editor and click load website and browse and look for the file I just downloaded, and I call this right here SiteJack preview website. I can just load that. It's actually a ready-made website that's already built. We're just loading into the editor so that we can edit it a little bit, customize it to our needs, and publish it. It might take a second for it to upload depending on your internet speed. While it's uploading, it may ask you if you're sure. You can just go ahead and click next. I need to load the website. Sometimes if you're doing it multiple times, it may ask you to confirm an override. Just click generate new ID if it ever asks you that. Now it has loaded your website. All you have to do is click edit website to edit the website, and then you want to start by going to step 1. It's just three simple steps. Here you will see the templates. The templates are arranged in categories where you can choose which category you want to view, and they're also identified by template numbers. Each one has a number. You can search for a particular keyword or just put in a number, a particular template number. If you wanted a specific template, or if you wanted, for example, to pull up a template based on one of the examples we saw earlier. The examples all have their template numbers which were used, so if you wanted yours to look exactly like the example, you can just look up the template number that was used to publish that website and go back here. In this case, I could just, since I'm building a site for my recruiting firm, I think I like template number 17348. It looks kind of nice. You can always view a template by clicking on the little preview button here to preview the template, to kind of see an idea of what it is before you select it. Selecting it means that you want to use it, so you just go ahead and click select on this template, and which automatically moves me to step 2. Step 2 is where you can fine-tune the template. You can change the name. Say your title here, I'm going to just double click on it, and you click the pencil edit button to change the name. In this case, I'm going to just change my name. Remember, my name is Anthony Hayden Recruiters, so I'm just going to abbreviate it. I'm going to say AH Recruiters. It's my name, my business name. and just save that. And that's real time. You can drag, put it wherever you like, just drag and drop. And when you're done, click update. It's really that simple. There's some other options that you can check here. Options like site properties. You can edit the head tag, which is your SEO and meta tags, because the sites are already ready and play very friendly with SEO and search engine optimization. And when you're done with any changes that you have, just click update, as I said, and jump down to step 3. Step 3 pretty much you list all the sites that are all the pages that are already in the website. As you can see, the website comes pre-built with most of the pages that you would need for a website, and all pre-filled with content and images. You can just go ahead and edit any of the sites. You can to edit any of the pages. To edit any of the pages, you just click the edit button beside the corresponding page. In this case, I'm going to edit the home page. Just click edit, and it will open that page in edit mode. It's a very basic, simple editing software, very similar to your Microsoft Word. And you can just or WordPress or any system that if you're used to before, you can just go ahead and edit the text in here, change anything you need to change. It's pretty much I recommend you kind of overwrite, you don't delete, just kind of change whatever you need. It's very easy to change stuff. Let's just go to give you an example here. Always, just add always. It's that easy to change stuff. All you need to do really, we have made it even easier. You can just go to variable on top, click variable, and where it says business name, you click the edit button, the edit pencil, and then put in your business name here. This will help you replace everywhere that it has a business name. It will replace it with whatever you put here. In this case, I'm going to put AH Recruiters, which is my business name. Recruiters Inc. is my name. Put that there, hit save, and then do it for the second one too. Niche is a business service that you offer. You can click edit here, niche, and put my business. What I offer is recruiting services, so I'm going to put recruiting. This just makes it easier for you to get started. Basically, the Sitejack will replace anywhere it sees those variables with the information you just put there. It just makes it easier to, rather than going through each page and editing your name and what you do. Though you can do it manually by going on, but we just want to make it easier so you can get a website up in 5 minutes. So after you've done that, you can change anything else you need to change, and you can even click on any of the pages to jump to that page and edit the information on that page as well. But typically, all you need to do once you're done changing is just hit save on the top left hand corner here. After you save it, you can close out of that page, and then you go and hit publish. You can always preview at any time. You can hit preview to preview the site without publishing at any point in time. It will build the website for preview. As you can see, I can preview the website. It looks really nice. So I like what I see, what I have, and I'm just going ahead and hit publish right here. Publish. And when you want to publish, it will automatically detect your domain name that you see that you already have here. Remember, Sitejack supports multiple domain names, so if you have multiple domain names, they'll also show up here. So now we have Anthony Hayden, so I'm just going to hit publish, and to publish it, just let the publish process run. It only takes a few seconds.
Welcome to our organization. Please take a look through our